Hi. Could we please have a small cone and medium fries?
Small ice cream cone and a medium fry?
Yeah, and do you guys have any apple pie left?
No, I'm sorry, we don't.
Okay, that would be great. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll put it around the corner.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I gotta try and make this inconspicuous.
Is it on video?
Yes, I'm videoing.
Is it on video?
Yes, I'm videoing.
Right now?
Yes.
Oh,
Just,
that means I have to learn how to cut. Just
it's really simple. I think Windows 7 comes with Windows Movie
I
Maker.
should get my money out. Ooh, wait. Okay.
Yeah, it said this one.
No, it's just around the corner, I think.
I'm gonna bitch out.
Hi.
Hi, pour one, please.
Okay, 1 second, please. Alright, it'll have to be on debit, I'm sorry.
No problem. And that's on debit?
Yes.
I believe in your abilities to either swipe with straight facing in or insert to the bottom.
Thank you.
She recognize you?
I don't know.
Nice. I'm so tempted.
Can almost delete it.
Approved. Okay.
There's the cone.
Here's the ice cream cone.
1 second.
And it'll just be a small weight.
It's all good. Just one.
There's just gonna be a small weight on the fries, okay?
Yeah, no problem.